husband, Joe. I can't do it, man. I can't. It's all right. That's all right. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus.
There's a special place for you all in heaven.
It's gonna snow this week, Brother Belch. It's gonna snow this week. And he'll be back.
Prophecy.
He'll be back.
Prophecy.
Oh, there's a problem.
Prophesy, brother. It's gonna snow.
I believe. Thank you, brother. Thank you. I'm feeling a little better. You should. I believe he can do all things through I believe it's time to dismiss. It's time. You may be seated. Time to dismiss for tonight. If you would all stand, we're going to pray and dismiss her. Hold on just a second. You're scaring me, Brother Belch. That Kentucky Fried Chicken. I understand. Well, once again, we would like to thank you all for having us tonight. Please feel free to stay and eat some of the leftovers. There's stuff over there. Help yourself. God bless you all.
We'd like to thank you for having us tonight.
Amen.
Please make checks payable to
Belch and Wheeze Ministry.
Thank you. The Lord loves a cheerful giver.
I believe we had not taken up an offering here tonight.